Hello my dear students, hope all of you doing well. Students, today I am going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 8, page number 29. So everyone, open your language book, open your grammar book at page number 29. Okay, chapter 8. And the name of this chapter is I, you, he, she, it. I hope all of you have listened these words, right students? Have you listened these words? Yes, you have listened these words, right? And do you know what are they called? Do you know they have another name? And do you know what are they called? What are they called? They are called pronoun. Okay, I, you, he, she, it. Okay, and so on. Means aro ache, okay, and so on. Okay. I, you, he, she, it. All of these are examples of pronoun. Okay, and not only 5, they have some more. Okay, not only 5 pronouns are there, there have some more pronouns which we will see in the next chapter. Okay, in this chapter we will talk only about these pronouns, that is I, you, he, she, it. Now, what is pronoun? What is pronoun? Pronoun is a word which we use in place of a noun. Fine. Pronoun is a word which we use in place of a noun. As example, Rahul is a good boy. Next line. Rahul reads in class 1. Fine. So here we can see 2 sentences. One is Rahul is a good boy, and second is Rahul reads in class 1. Okay, so here in the second sentence we can use he in place of this noun. Okay, in place of this noun we can use this, or we will use he. Sorry, in the place of this noun we will use he, he, he. Okay, so we will say Rahul is a good boy. He reads in class 1. Okay, so in the next sentence, means in the second sentence, we will use he in place of this name, which is a noun. Rahul is a noun, and in place of this name, we will use he. Okay, in the third sentence also we will say he loves to play cricket. Then we can say he plays well. Okay, like this. Okay, so in the first sentence we have used the name of the person, that is the noun Rahul. But in the second sentence, from the second sentence we will not use the name. Instead of this name we will use he. He reads in class 1. He loves to play cricket. He plays well. Like this. So, like this, in place of a noun, we can use pronoun. Okay? Fine. Now we will learn where we will use I, where we will use he, where we will use she, where we will use you, and where we will use it. Okay, fine. So students, now I will say here in the language there have three persons. Okay, there have three persons. In the class I have already said about this topic, right? Yes, so there have three persons. What are they? Can you say what are they? Yes, first person, second person, first person, second person, and third person. Right? Yes. So here, can you remember that I have said I is the first person. I is the first person. You. Okay. You is the second person. Okay. You is the second person. And except I and you, he, she, it, and many objects, and except I and you, he, she, it, and the things which we can see, all the things, person, animal. Animals, okay? So first person is I, second person is you, and third person is he, she, it, and the things, persons, all the things, persons and animals and so on are called third person. Fine. So in the grammar we have three persons. First person means I, second person means you, and third person means except I and you, all the words. Okay, he, she, it, they. In the next chapter we will know about they. Okay, and all the persons, animals, okay, all of the things we can say as third person. Okay, they are called third person. Okay, now we will learn that where we will use I, you, he, she, it. So I am reading the examples from your book. Okay, listen to me carefully and follow your book. Okay, so look at the first example. I am needy. So here the girl is talking about herself. Okay, that's why she is saying I am needy. Now when I will talk about myself, what I will say? I will say that I am Anindita. Okay, I am Anindita. Okay, now when I will talk about the second person, that time I will say you are. I will start with you. Okay, you are Vinay. Okay, you are Vinay. Now I and you, these pronouns can be a male and woman, or a boy, a girl, okay? So I and you can say about a girl or a boy, about a man or a woman also. Okay, fine. Now look at the second sentence. I am Vinay, you are Nidhi. Now the boy is saying about himself. So he is saying I am Vinay and you are Nidhi. Okay, and here Nidhi is the second person. So Vinay is describing about her, or Vinay is introducing her as saying you are Nidhi, as Nidhi is second person. Okay, so he is saying you are Nidhi. Now look at the third person. Now we will look about the next pronoun, that is he. Okay, he is Mr. Sharma. Okay, now here Mr. Sharma is the third person. Okay, that's why Vinay is saying he is Mr. Sharma. Okay, he teaches us Hindi. Okay, he teaches us Hindi. And look at the fourth example. Now Nidhi is introducing another person. That is, look at the example. She is Miss Bhushan. She is Miss Bhushan. So here Miss Bhushan is third person. That's why Nidhi is saying she. She is Miss Bhushan. She teaches us English. Okay? Now, here, look at the box. Look at the box. Look at the first point. I, comma, you. A boy, a girl, a man or a woman. Means I and you can be a man, a woman, a boy or a girl. Means একটা বয়ও নিজেকে আই হিসেবে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করতে পারে, একটা গার্লও নিজেকে আই হিসেবে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করতে পারে। আবার ইউ মানে আমি যখন ইউ বলে কাউকে ডিসক্রাইব করছি, ইউ বলে কাউকে ডাকছি, when I am saying you, that time you can be a man, you একটা মেয়ে হতে পারে, you একটা ছেলে হতে পারে, একটা মেয়ে হতে পারে। So there has no particular gender. Okay, there has no particular gender of I and you. I can be a girl or a boy, and as well as you can be a boy or a girl. But we will use he in place of a name of a boy. Okay, look at the second point. He, a boy or a man. Means when we will talk about a boy, that time in place of that boy's name we will use he. And when we will use she, in place of a girl's name we will use she. Fine. In place of a girl's name we will use she. Okay, now look at the last pronoun, that is it. It. We will use it when we will talk about any non-living things. Look at the last point. Non-living things, animals or birds, when they do not have a special name. When any animal or birds do not have a special name, or that time we will use it, or when we will talk about any non-living object, that time we also use it. Look at the example. This is a cat, and next I will say it is very cute. Okay, fine. Now look at the second example. You gave me this book. You gave me this book. It has 50 pages. Fine. So here in the first example I am saying about this cat. So in the next sentence I have used it. Okay. In place of cat I have used it, as cat is an animal. Cat is an animal. Look at the second example. Here I am saying about a non-living object, that is book. Book is a non-living object, right? So you gave me this book. So here I am talking about this book. So book is a non-living object. So in the next line I have used it. It has 50 pages. Fine. I hope all of you have understand. So I and you can be a girl or a boy. Okay. And we will use he in place of the name of any boy. Fine. And we will use she in place of the name of any girl. Okay. And where we will use it? We will use it when we will talk about any non-living thing, or when we will talk about any animal or bird when they do not have any special name. As special means when we keep a dog as our pet animal, when we keep a dog as our pet animal, that time we give him or we give it a special name. So that time we cannot use it for that dog because it has already a special name, right? So but when any animal or birds do not have any special name, that time we will use it. Fine? Okay, so look at these points again. I, you, a boy, a girl, a man or a woman. He, a boy or a man. She, a girl or a woman. It, non-living things, animals and birds when they do not have any special name. Okay, fine. So this is the chapter, students. These are the examples of pronoun. I, you, he, she, it. Okay, in the next chapter we will see more examples of pronouns. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Though if you have any doubts, definitely you can ask me. Fine. Okay students, that's for today. See you in the next video. Stay safe, stay blessed and thank you.